What does perimeter mean?
The whole thing.
The whole outside. How do you find perimeter of something?
You add up all the sides.
You add up all the sides. So we know that our total perimeter equals what, Tristan?
8 parentheses 2x plus 1.
Okay, and we know that one of the sides, so if we drew that rectangle, okay, the total perimeter is going to give us 8 parentheses 2x plus 1. One of the side lengths is what?
3x plus 1.
3x plus 4. The other side length is
4x plus 3.
4x plus 3. Okay, so we need to figure out what the lengths are. Yes, Landon?
Technically, it would be 6x plus 8 and then,
No.
8x plus.
Well, no, just one side length equals this. One side length equals that.
I know, but.
But to find my perimeter, I haven't gotten there yet. To find my perimeter, how many sides do I have that equal 4x plus 3?
2.
2 of them, right? Because this one also does?
Yeah.
So could I say 4x plus 3, and there's 2 of those, so times 2?
Okay.
Do you think you should be writing this down?
It's positive.
Okay, perimeter, do we add or multiply? Add. Okay, and then how many side lengths do we have that are 3x plus 4? 2, right? This one is and this one is. So we have 3x plus 4, and we have 2 of them. Okay, you could have written it out as 4x plus 3 plus, I have another side length of 4x plus 3, plus I have 3x plus 4, and then I have another one that's 3x plus 4. But do you see how messy that gets?
And too much work.
Okay, so that's why I said there's 2 of that length, there's 2 of that length. Okay? Now if I was to solve, Sean, what would you like me to do first? Distribute. Which one? The first one? Okay, so 2 times 4x is? Anybody? 8x. 2 times 3 is? Okay, what else would you like me to do, Faith? The 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 times 3x is? 2 times 4 is?
It's almost as if.
Is there something else you would like me to do?
Add the
Distribute the 8. I heard Adriana say. So 8 times 2x is?
16.
X. And then 8 times 1 is?
8. And then we should add 6 plus 8 and then 6x.
Okay.
Plus.
Let's make sure. Is everybody with me so far? Okay, so I need to combine what Landon was saying, my like terms. Okay, so what do if I have 8 x's and 6 x's and they're both on the same
14.
side, how many total x's do you have?
14.
Okay, so I have 14x. And if I have 6 plus 8, that's also
14.
So I have 14x plus 14, and that still equals 16x plus 8. What would I do next?
Add the 14x.
Huh?
No, subtract the 8. Subtract the 8.
You want me to subtract what?
Subtract 8.
Subtract 8. So if I subtract 8, I have to subtract it with the regular 14, not the 14x. So on this side, I have 16x. 14 minus 8 is 6. And I still have 14x.
Then we subtract 14x with the 16x.
Okay, so we've got all of our numbers on the same side. Now we need to get all of our x's on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 14x because it's a positive. That makes a 0 pair. I get 6
2x.
equals 2x. And now my last step is to divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals. So am I dead?
No.
No.
You gotta put it here.
Now we have to draw a rectangle.
So if this was my rectangle, you don't have to draw it. But the question asked me to find the lengths of the sides. So now that I know what x how do I find the side lengths?
You just multiply.
Substitute or replace x, right? With what?
3.
3. Okay, so 4 times 3 plus 3. 4 times 3 is
12.
12 plus 3 is,
15.
so this one is 15. I know you can't see that bottom one very well, but 3 times 3, and then I'm going to add 4. 3 times 3 is, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 is,
15.
So do we have to do that?
so my answer is 13 inches and 15 inches. Questions?